Now we wait for the bus.
We're all yelling too.
That's when you know it's fucking, it's rad, because we're all yelling at each other, hooting and hollering. But whew, we're back here. We're back here.
Well, that was the sickest, what do you think, boys? Sickest lines all weekend.
Definitely.
Fantastic.
Don't know where we're at though.
We ended up in some backyards.
As you can see, houses.
We're gonna figure it out though. Somebody's gonna give us a ride.
That's not something you see at the mountains every day. Clean.
Look at that engine in the back though.
Damn it, the bus is there, bro.
Oh, we gotta run. We did it. Made a good time on the bus.
Yeah, that was freaking dialed. That was crazy. Finally figured out
the bus. We got it. Yeah, we figured out when to leave on the last day last time.